Hi, this is Mark from Rocky Mountain Kitchen. Today we're going to make chili con carne. There's a lot of ways to make it. I'm going to show you a recipe that was handed to me by my mother-in-law. We love it this way. I think you'll love it too. So come on, I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to put my hair back in a ponytail and we'll get started. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly the ingredients we're going to use and then we'll get started. Okay, for the sauce we're going to use, today we're going to use 8 tomatoes and up to 2 jalapenos. Depends on how much you like the heat. But I'll show you how to make the sauce here in a minute. We're also going to have garlic in the sauce. We'll start out with 2 little cloves and then take a taste test. If it needs more garlic, we'll add more garlic. We're also going to use tortillas. Normally we would make homemade tortillas and I will show you how to make those in another video. Today we don't have a lot of time, so we're just going to use the store-bought tortillas for today. We're also going to use pork meat. You can use hamburger meat if you want. We use pork meat. You can use pretty much any pork meat you want, just cut them in small pieces. We buy the stew meat because it's already cut into pretty small pieces. And salt. We're also going to use refried beans. I will show you how to make those in another video. Okay, to start with, we're going to boil some water. You don't need to really wait until it's boiling to add the tomatoes and the peppers. You can, but I'm just going to add them now. And once those boil for a little while, once it starts boiling, maybe give it 5 minutes. And then I'll show you what to do from there. Okay, we're going to cut the meat. Sharpen our knife real quick. I know the meat's already cut up into some small pieces, but we like it a little smaller, so we're going to go ahead and cut it up in a little bit of smaller pieces. Probably cut each piece about halfway. Okay, we're going to go ahead and rinse our meat off using cold water. And let it dry. Okay, while the meat continues to cook, you can see that the vegetables have been boiling for about 5 minutes now. So we're going to go ahead and drain these and put them in a blender. Okay, we're going to pour them into the sieve, drain the water off. And we want to rinse them in cold water so it's not so hot to the touch. And we want to peel each of the tomato skins off, like this. And it should come right off. Then we'll put them in a blender. And we'll do that to all of them. Okay, I'm going to take one of the jalapenos, cut it up a little bit. Put that in there, and I'm going to wait for the other jalapeno. I'm going to see how hot this is first. Okay, before we blend it up, I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of small cloves of garlic in there with it. After you peel the garlic, just go ahead and put them in the blender. Okay, we'll put the garlic in the blender, put the lid on, let's go ahead and liquefy it. Once we do that a little bit, we'll go ahead and add some salt.
And salt to taste. Blend it up a little more. Give it a little taste test. That's perfect. Okay, I decided I was going to show you how to do this with the pork and with the hamburger meat. I turned the video camera, at least I thought I turned the video camera on when I browned the hamburger meat. Evidently it wasn't turned on, so sorry about that. I think you know how to brown hamburger meat though, so we'll continue. I'm going to pour some of the sauce into the pork. Pour some of the sauce into the hamburger meat. If there's anything left over of the sauce, I'm just going to pour it into this jar, and we will use that with eggs and stuff. Okay, we're going to go ahead and mix up the sauce and the meat. Let it heat up a little bit. And okay, and we have our back burner on for a tortilla pan. We'll start heating up some tortillas. Okay, as you can see, the meat and the sauce is all done. We have refried beans that we make that we're going to use with this dish. I'm not going to show you how to make refried beans in this video. There will be a separate video for that. We're still cooking tortillas. We're warming them up, I should say. And as soon as we're done with warming the tortillas up, we'll show you how this all goes together. Okay, put a tortilla on your plate, put some refried beans on your plate, put some chili con carne on your plate. You can use the hamburger right now, I'm using the pork. You can use either one. And you just tear up the tortilla, use it as a utensil and start eating. Or if you want, you can put it all into a tortilla and roll it up like a burrito. You can use it either way. Okay, thank you for watching how to make chili con carne. This is Mark from Rocky Mountain Kitchen saying, see you later.